New Monday, new week, new goals. There's something powerful about the beginning of a new week. It's a fresh opportunity to reset, refocus, and decide what you're going to do differently. Because the truth is, your future isn't determined by what happened last week, last month, or even last year. It's shaped by the decisions you make today. Maybe you've been thinking about earning more money, building something of your own, or creating an income that doesn't start over at zero every month. Then maybe this is the week you stop thinking about it and start doing something about it. At TruPowur, we help motivated people build their own energy brokerage business in one of the largest industries in the world. Think about it. Nearly every home and business uses electricity and natural gas. Customers are already paying for energy every single month. Your opportunity is to help businesses reduce those costs while building something powerful for yourself in the process. A book of customers that can generate recurring residual income month after month. And you don't have to figure everything out on your own. With TruPowur, you have access to training, technology, multiple energy suppliers, proven systems, and support designed to help you get started and grow. But none of it matters until you make a decision. A new Monday can simply be another Monday, or it can become the Monday you look back on and say, that's when everything started to change. New Monday, new week, new goals. Maybe it's time for a new future too. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.